What do you get for $8.6 million in Carmel Point?
This luxurious ocean view home for sale in Carmel, California, is a masterpiece of eco-conscious design and natural beauty. Located on the highly sought-after Carmel Point, just a block away from both of Carmel's iconic beaches, the home offers breathtaking views from Carmel Bay to Pebble Beach. It has undergone a stunning remodel to become a net zero energy home. This home features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and highlights such as a custom metal and glass front door with a wave motif, a living wall of vibrant plants, and custom metalwork throughout. Other standout features include a beautifully designed kitchen, a natural wine cellar, and meticulously crafted details that emphasize sustainability and aesthetics. Located near fantastic dining, shopping, and outdoor activities, this thoughtfully designed beach house in Carmel blends luxury and sustainability.